insist on your answer now. I am not satisfied with your answer, but I will not ask for any other answer. I'll just remain where I am when I started, considering that you are under stress by the incidents dito sa Hong Kong. May problema sila eh. So mainit ang ulo niyan. So i-timing mo. You know, the art of diplomacy, yung palaro-laro ka. Mga tao na matayan ng anak o hiniwalayan ng girlfriend niya, ay mainit talaga ang ulo niya.
So, sir, since President Xi is not budging po and they do not acknowledge the ruling, what is your next move?
Covadis, Philippines. Covadis.